Feeling confused about where to start your home renovation? Architect, interior designer, carpenter, contractor. Too many calls, too much stress. Let's make it simple for you with one word: turnkey. Today, I'll show you how our turnkey interior design service takes away the chaos and bring your dream home to life from start to finish. What is turnkey? Turnkey means you turn the key to your finished home. Everything else from design, materials, execution to final cleaning is taken care of. You don't chase 10 different vendors or workers. You deal with just one team, us. You sit back, we manage the process. Our process. Here's how we do it step by step. Understanding you. We begin with your needs, family, lifestyle, taste, and budget. Design and visualization. Mood boards, 3D renders, material boards, so you can see before we build. Number 3. Transparent BOQ and timeline. You know what we are doing, when we are doing it, and how much it costs. Number 4. Execution with love. Civil, electrical, carpentry, painting, flooring, furnishing done by our trained team. Number 5. Final styling plus handover. You get a fully ready, clean, style home. You literally turn the key. Why clients love it? Our clients tell us the same thing. This was stress free. And that's because we manage every detail. You don't run after plumbers, contractors, or vendors. You don't deal with delays or vendor excuses. You get regular updates and approvals at each stage. This is not just design, this is a peace of mind. What's included? So, what do you get in a turnkey renovation with us? Complete design and 3D walkthroughs. Modular kitchen, wardrobe, furniture, painting, flooring, ceilings, lighting, electrical, plumbing, soft styling like curtains, rugs, decors, all managed under one roof by a team you can trust. But is it expensive? Not at all. In fact, you save more in a turnkey project than hiring everyone separately. You save time, rework, mistakes, and stress. And you get the clarity of one cost, one timeline, one team. That's what gives you real value for money. Your home should not be your headache. It should be your joy. And when a team takes full ownership, it shows in the final result. That's what we promise. Not just good interiors, but a smooth, stress-free journey. So if you are ready to turn your house into your dream home with just one key, comment ready below and we will reach out to guide you.